Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today's simple and delicious recipe is beef tenderloin parmesan bites. I know beef tenderloin is one of the most expensive cuts, but the way I utilize it, you'll feed up to 6 people with a nice appetizer. They're outstanding, they're delicious, easy to make. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to put together a nice dipping sauce. Start out with a tablespoon of mayonnaise and add a tablespoon of your favorite horseradish. And to that, we're going to add a little dash of Worcestershire sauce. Mix it well, and then we'll cover that and get it in the fridge until it's time to serve up our beef tenderloin bites. In a bowl, we have 3/4 of a cup of grated parmesan, and we'll add 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Mix all those ingredients thoroughly, and then simply spread it out on top of a plate. I have 2 beautiful 6-ounce fillets. Now I'm going to slice these up into about 1/4 inch thick pieces. I'm going to get 16 pieces out of these 2 fillets. What a great way to stretch out your food budget and not give up on quality. And you can serve these as an appetizer or a main course. I like variety in my meal. Maybe just a small bowl of soup, a small salad, and a couple of these beautiful tenderloin bites. What a lovely meal that would be. So to prepare these for cooking, we've got our sliced tenderloin, our seasoned parmesan, and I have 1 egg well beaten. And you'll notice no breadcrumbs. Perfect if you're looking for gluten-free or low carb. So first we'll dip the beef into the egg and then into the parmesan, and that's as simple as it gets. Maybe you'd like to add some different seasonings, maybe some dill seasoning, maybe some Cajun seasoning. Get creative, make it your own. That's what makes cooking fun to do. In a good quality pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil and 2 teaspoons of butter. Now lay our tenderloin bites flat in the pan, press them down gently to ensure even cooking. They only take 1.5 minutes on each side, and you'll get it to about a medium to medium rare. A little bit of pink inside is the way I like it. Cook them longer if that's the way you like it. After we give them a flip, ensure that they're pressed down flat, just to give them a nice even browning on the bottom. Remove the beef tenderloin bites onto a paper towel, gently pat them dry, and it's time to serve them up. Here's how I like to serve them up. I've chopped up some arugula, placed it on a plate, and then arrange the beef tenderloin bites on top with our sauce in the center. Oh my, doesn't that look mouth-watering? Well, how's that for simple and delicious? A nice red wine would go nice with this, maybe a Cab Sauv or a Merlot. Well, if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I put one out every Monday. Or you can shoot me off an email. My personal email is listed below, or just contact me here on YouTube. Well, I can't wait to try these. Let's get into it. A little bit of that sauce. Oh. Wow. Beef tenderloin. It's always so tender. That parmesan comes through, and the horseradish just accompanies that beef perfectly. Well, I hope you get to enjoy this with your friends and family. Thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya! Hi, folks, and welcome to Uncle Pete. Where did that come from? God.